Bonus question lang, no? Aware kayo na may clamor? Aware kayo that your fans are requesting na mag-sequel kayo?
Yes, we are. Kasi parang, naalala ko nga, hindi ko makalimutan to. Kasi when Hello, Love, Goodbye was shown, kasi diba sa Netflix, pag mawawala na siya, may leaving soon na nakalagay dun sa film. And then all of a sudden, parang nung aalis na sa Netflix, biglang parang ayaw nila. And then, nagtuloy-tuloy pa rin, I think, until today ba? Meron pa rin Hello, Love, Goodbye on Netflix. And of course, marami rin sa mga yung mga supporters namin, I'm sure si Captain, and the support yung mga fans ng film, the actual film, really wants to know what happens next. So, yes, we are aware na andyan lang, parang the clamor is still there. Ngayon lang talaga mas nabigyang bunga yung paghingi nila ng part 2 for this film.
Worth the wait, no? Captain.
I think we're pretty aware na, you know, people have been asking, may part 2 ba, kailan? Even our friends, our families, lahat sila. Pero, my usual answer, every time they ask that to me, sabihin ko, hindi ko alam. Pero hindi ako nag-no, hindi ako nag-yes, kasi hindi ko naman talaga alam. Pero, you know, we were all hoping na, actually, pwede pa talaga sundan, because as we all know, open-ended yung Hello, Love, Goodbye. Pero not until this year, kasi yung mga sinagot ko, nang nag-no ako or hindi ko alam, hindi ko talaga alam na this would be possible. Today, we're officially announcing it. And then sometimes, no, actually, yung fear ko, when Tita Cory told me about this film, syempre natakot ako kasi hindi ko alam kung should we just leave it as it is, or maybe gumawa na lang kami ng bagong kwento ni Alden, or better na ituloy siya. But then, pinag-isipan ko siya, if I put myself, you know, aside, not being part of the cast, parang minsan ang dami kong questions, ang dami kong gusto malaman, kumusta si Joy, is Ethan okay, nag-survive ba yung LDR nila, kamusta yung buhay na sa Canada, nagawa pa niya yung dreams niya. So for me, I think Hello, Love, again, will provide all the answers to my questions and to all her questions, hopefully. But this time naman, you know, sa ibang setting, which is in Canada. And as Direk Cathy said, sa kwento pa lang nila, ang daming maganda at the same time, very sad stories na we want to tell. So, I think this is a good continuation. But, sa ibang aspeto naman, let's see.
Ako, MJ, share ko lang. Kasi ever since, hindi ko makakalimutan to, the first time that we ever watched the full movie of Hello, Love, kakatapos lang